Welcome back to the channel, guys. We have a special video for you today. We're not where we normally are. We're not even in Las Vegas. We are in Cedar City, Utah, and we're gonna bowl against another pro. He's the house pro here, good friend of mine, Steve Sherman. And he's got a whole crowd here rooting for me and not him.
Thanks for coming out, Darren.
Thank you for inviting me. Steve invited us out to work some clinics today. He wanted this challenge match, so we're gonna give it to him.
So what we've done today, a little special for you. We know you like Pokemon, and I like the crazy pants, so we'd like to call this match Pokemon versus Poké Dots. So if I beat you, we'd like to see you in a pair of polka dot pants, and if you win, you're gonna go home with your little Pokemon.
Oh boy. You put Pokemon cards on the line, so I'm clearly gonna give it my all.
You up for the challenge?
I'm always down for a challenge.
Let's do this.
All right, Steve. Since you're the house pro, we'll let you choose who starts, who goes second.
I'd like to finish.
And I conveniently just ran out of water, so being tossed out of my process. Is it nice? Uh-oh. Do I change balls? Am I trying extra hard, Jesse? Oh. Game time.
All right.
I really don't want to wear these pants, not because of the way they look, but he got the sizes flipped. I'm a 29-32. He got 32-30. So not only are they going to be a little short, they might fall off my waist. So I'm trying extra hard, not just for the Pokemon cards, but to not have to wear those pants. That's a little slow. Oh! That's for you, Pete. I know you're not watching, but it's still for you. Switching balls on this lane. We did do another exhibition match on this pair earlier, and Jesse said try hard. If this doesn't work, I'm immediately changing balls. Oh, that's really bad. They heard nothing.
It's not the first time I've heard that's bad.
No, never mind. They did hear.
Stand back. String it.
No stringer, no stringer. Fun fact, Steve and I bowled college against each other. He was a player coach. I thought he bowled for another team and their coach didn't really like us.
Get your spares, kids.
Was
Get
not
your
the
spares.
case. It was not the case.
That's better.
There it is. Talk to him, Steve. Talk to him.
Thanks.
Yeah, I get a lot of questions. You know, what do I need to do to be good in college? What should I do to get ready for college? Steve's right, pick up those spares. Being a good team player helps too. Help, a lot. This lane, I like this lane. This lane's nice. I'm close, guys, I'm almost back. I know this isn't coming out for a while. When this does come out, hopefully I would have won a title by now, another one. If we throw this on the intended line, does it strike? Survey says it's pretty close.
I only need one mistake.
You only need one mistake.
I only need you to miss once.
Oh, I thought you meant like if you miss again, you lose. He knows, he was just giving me a chance. He was just giving me a chance.
That's better. Of course.
Well, that lane's got a bad rack, I think. I had one like that earlier and I thought it was.
Missing a 5-pin?
Were you? Was he missing a 5-pin? Well, they're laughing at you, so
I know.
I think it's a no. Another fun fact, Steve was one spot off at the Senior US Open this year of making match play. Steve can play. He can pull all the stops. Contrary to our age difference, I'm a seasoned veteran.
Walk off.
Wow. You're gonna do me like that in front of my home crowd?
You started it.
Wow.
Oh. I think I like string pins. Still haven't seen a messenger yet.
Yeah, well, they happen.
I also don't throw them very often anyway, so. Maybe? It's that good house knowledge.
Wow.
He knows the hits.
Kiss for a strike. Thank you.
Who are you talking to?
My wife.
Yes. Go get it, Chip! No comment. I didn't mean it, Dana, I promise. Take that, you
I gotta try everything. I gotta try everything.
You're just teeing it up. I love this. My opponent's never teed up for the memes. Cedar City. Come check it out. This is a fun place. Ooh. Ah, why did it have to end like that? Mulligan? Jesse, you're in. Pick up your spares. Oh!
Boogers. That's how you get them, RJ.
Time, Jesse needs a break, sorry.
You didn't know that was my go-to word. Yeah. If it gets bad, we'll go crunchy boogers. So
The innocence
Chelsea
is
got me to
unparalleled.
swear is who it was. That's better.
Oh,
Could've changed
cutter
that
action.
position earlier.
Oh, cutter action, look at that. Oh, God. Ooh, it's really not over yet.
Very, very interesting.
How many balls do I get?
I'll let you throw 2 here if you give up 1 ball in the 10th if you miss.
Not worth it.
All right.
It needs me to open again. The odds of that, if I 3-6-10 again, it might be a little high. That's not close. This could get really exciting. Wait,
Yep.
I forgot the pants, the pants, the pants,
Yes.
the pants.
Can we have another
The pants.
237, 234 finish?
The pants. Nope, nope, nope. Because if I put those pants on, I will have no pants on.
Well, that's wide.
Wide to who? Just like those pants, wide. Not your pants, the ones you were gonna make me wear. Let me see that tag.
It's 32-30. Jesse's right.
32-30.
But I mean, they're slim.
Is there such thing as a slim with the first number's bigger than the second?
Make it interesting, go gutter, and then throw your second ball.
Gutter. Numerically, it's not over yet. Should I? Oh. Okay, now I need pins. How many do we need? 3? Wait, the pants, the pants, the pants. Nope, nope, nope. Pants,
My ball.
pants.
My ball.
Your ball? Scary. Stay on the line! I wish I got at least 1. I can't let this happen.
You want to get closer?
I feel like I had to get at least 1, you know, he had like 3.
Booger.
Booger. Crunchy.
Crunchy booger.
Crunchy. Yuck. But they don't look that. They look that wide. Are you sure these are a 30 length? They look kind of long.
I'm trying to bowl up here.
You complain when I'm talking, but not when I'm staring you in the face with the foul line?
All right, pick a ball for me. Which one? What am I throwing to Phil?
I don't think you can fit my bowling ball, so.
No.
Throw the hustle. Are you pretty good left-handed?
Nah.
Ooh, that was the one. I could wear like a victory cape.
Wow. Thank you.
Thank you for having us, Steve. We appreciate it. Thank you, Cedar Lanes. Thank you, Nick. Everybody that came out today. Round of applause to you guys. Thank you so much.
Thanks, Jesse.
If you guys do get the chance to come out to Cedar Lanes, please do. Very nice people here, and they'll take care of you. The food's great. The lanes are from Texas Station, if you guys know what that place is. But hey, everything was good. Everything was great, and hopefully I can come back in the future.
Yep, thank you very much. Thanks, we'll see you. Rematch.
Rematch.